Loves, welcome to my channel. I'm in the car on the way to an appointment, and it was on my heart to create this video as an encouragement to tell you to get yourself on YouTube. I need you to get on YouTube. My over 50 crew, we have a lot of life that we have lived. You know, we've done a few things. We've overcome a few things. We've healed through things. We have thrived. We have failed. We have achieved. We've started over. We've had more new beginnings than we can probably count. And we're in a new season. And this is an opportunity for us to give and share that wisdom with other amazing souls that need guidance and support, that need direction, that need the things that come from our experiences, the lessons that we've learned. We are healing, we're growing, and we are thriving. And we got things that we need to say and share. And most importantly, there are people waiting for you to get on YouTube. I've made a decision. I'm going to start a group, a Facebook private group for 50 and over content creators that are looking to grow, build, help others, share their messages, their experiences, and monetize on YouTube. I will lead the group. Eventually, I will need admin support and help to do this. I'm not going to be able to do this alone, but this will be a platform where we can communicate in real time. I can share nuggets. We can schedule Facebook lives, and I can also go live on YouTube at the same time. I will share downloads, worksheets, and material that I have created to help guide you to one is believing that you can achieve this goal. That there are things that you're going to have to overcome to stand and opening up your life to the world. And we're going to spend some time working through that. Then we're going to spend some time researching and helping you uncover, if you will, the direction that you're going to go. We're going to talk about the length of videos, keyword research, the tools that you need to be able to do this. I monetized my channel 6 months from the date that I started my YouTube channel. From the date that I scrubbed my channel, deleted more than half of my videos, and pivoted, I monetized in 33 days. And I don't gatekeep. This group will be designed as a foundation for you to be able to achieve this goal. We'll set realistic timelines. There will be consistency. And like I said, I will need admin support to make this work. We're going to have to stand together, and I will need your support as I support you in getting to your goal. There will be a guide. I will send the link to my storefront. You'll download, you'll register, you'll download that guide, and then the second step will be going to the YouTube channel. Okay, there will be a series of questions that you'll need to answer. Once you answer those questions, an admin will approve your acceptance, will approve you being added to the group. Okay, this will not be a group where you can advertise your businesses. We're here to support one another. We can do that on YouTube. So there will be no advertising in the group, but I will encourage each of you to support the other with channels, but we're not going to be able to advertise on the group. This is going to be a safe space where we can learn, grow, and nail goals. Okay? So again, I am going to start a Facebook group, a private group for content creators over 50. There is a space, a gap that we are going to fill. There is a need for content creators over 40 as well. Initially, this group will just be designed for over 50, you know, and let me know your thoughts. If you'd like me to open up to 40 creators, over 40 creators as well, because there's a space there as well too. There's a lot of wisdom, but you know, as a content creator over 50, I have it's dear and near to my heart, but don't want to exclude anyone. But so initially we'll start the group. My commitment is to start the group for content creators over 50. If you feel like you want me to include creators over 40, just drop the comments. I'll take a poll. Maybe what I'll do is create a poll. I don't have an answer on that yet. But for now, we'll start over 50 content creators. And then I'll do a poll and get some thoughts and feedback on that. And then I'll modify it based on that. Okay? So we are going to get this jump started before the new year so that you can start organizing your plan. Most of you already have the tools. I get messages from viewers all the time talking about the equipment that they have, the tools that they have, and really what's stopping them are the feelings on the inside, right? Something is making you hesitate. But what I'm going to do is guide you to this. I will lead the pack on this to be able to help you stand as a content creator to reach the people that you were created to reach and get paid. I monetize my channel in October. Next week, I get my first check. And speaking with content creators, my payout is 6.5 times what's typically seen. I also monetize my channel 6 months from the first day of upload. I can help you. I'm going to help you. We're going to do this together. So I want you to find a notebook that you can use for this. Somewhere where the only thing that you put in here are thoughts about your YouTube channel. Okay? What type of content you want to create. Write down things that you're passionate about. And I'm going to have an exercise for you. And we're going to start off with some self-discovery and some introspection, because that's going to really be important. You're going to have to dig deep to be able to do this, and you're going to have to work past things at every step in this process. You're going to work through a few things to get comfortable with a camera and sitting in front of the camera. You have to get comfortable hearing your own voice. You're going to have to get comfortable with those things. And as you journey, as you continue to peel back layers, it's going to require that you continue to dig and sort, work through your feelings, work through the things that are getting you in your way, because the reality is you are getting in your own way, and it's me. I'm going to help coach you through that to get on the other side. So congratulations on the decision that you've made to start a YouTube channel. Congratulations on your decision to click the link, register, and download the guide that I'm going to make available. And congratulations on joining the group, and congratulations on your first video. If you have already started your channel, we'll have opportunities to be able to examine that. I will not be able to do that on a one-on-one basis with everyone, but we'll talk about it collectively and use examples of things to be able to help you know where you have to make changes or tweak, if you will, right? What's working, looking at how many views you're getting, because the truth is this: there are over like 1 million videos that are uploaded to YouTube every single day. Okay, so the fact that you may get 1 view, that's a big deal. And I don't want to dismiss that or discredit what you've accomplished. So, and I had to be reminded of that. To be able to have a video when 100 people have seen that video is a big deal. And I don't want you to dismiss that, okay? But what we want to do is make a consistent plan. We're going to talk about the difference between long form and short form. We're going to talk about tools that work for editing. We're going to talk about copyright and music. We're going to talk about using the tools that you have until you can build to using other tools. Okay, we're going to talk about all of those things. We're going to talk about script writing. We're going to talk about shot lists. We're going to talk about how to use AI to be able to develop a plan. The difference between ChatGPT, the difference between Gemini, and what my thoughts are on that as I have journeyed on this road for the last year in preparing for the place that I currently stand in. So I want to celebrate you right now. It's not easy, but you have everything it takes to win. Say it with me. You have everything it takes to win. You have everything it takes to win. So I am pulling up here at my appointment. I have a listing appointment on a $1.5 million property that I'm listing. And it's gorgeous, and I can't wait to share that with you. And we are committed to manifesting goals. I want you to do something for me. After you watch this video, in that notebook that you've created, I need you to make a list of all of your goals, of your top goals, the things that you need to achieve and desire, your dreams that you want and need to manifest. I need you to make a list of those things. I need you to prioritize them. I need you to put them in order of importance, right? If your wildly impossible goal was nailed, that goal will help you accomplish all the other goals, right? So I want you to make a list of those goals, and then I want you to start meditating on manifesting those goals using the 3-6-9 method. I want you to speak it 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and then 9 times at night before bed. And I want you to do that every day starting today. And then I want you to share the things that manifest. And like I've said to you before, start with a parking space. Manifest the parking space. Then go to a dollar amount that you need to show up and watch that manifest. And every time you have a moment of doubt, of insecurity, or, oh my gosh, can this happen for me? Or what if it doesn't happen? What's my plan B? I need you to speak your manifestations. Money, peace, love, and joy come easily and frequently every single day in my life. And I need you to say that with me. Money, love, peace, and joy come easily, frequently, and abundantly every single day. Money, love, peace, and joy come easily, frequently, and abundantly every single day. Money, love, peace, and joy come easily, frequently, and abundantly every single day. And when you speak it, expect for it to take place in your life and watch the universe work and things show up. Money, love, peace, joy, wealth, and riches, viral videos, subscribers, a growing channel, viral videos are attracted to me. Say it with me. You are standing in the life that you desire to live. You have the money in the bank account that you desire to have, and I need you to spend that money. Act as though you already have it. Not that it's coming. You have it. You possess it. You are driving that car. You are living in that house. You have the romantic relationship that you desire. You have the relationship with your family members that you desire. You have the business ventures, the success that you desire. You're walking in those heels, right? And you are standing in the life that you desire to live. Money, love, peace, and joy come easily, frequently, and abundantly every single day. I said it before, and I'll say it again. You have everything it takes to win. You have everything it takes to win. Now let's get it and let's go. The link to the download, the link to register and get the download is in the description of this video. And then the link to the Facebook group will be in the download. I'll see you soon. Have an amazing day. Not an amazing day. Today will be your best day. And I need you to say that every single day. Today is your best day.